Hi, my name's Dominic Beck-Johnson. I'm an SAP Business One expert at Quintech Business Management Solutions. This is one of our tips and tricks videos for SAP Business One version 10, Feature Pack 2102. In this session, we're going to have a look at an error message that crops up quite a few times on our support desk, and it relates to the date ranges inside of SAP and how they work with the posting periods. Inside each transaction in SAP, there are three dates. There is the document date, the posting date, and the due date. And the error message that we see on a regular basis relates to the due date exceeding the end of the financial year. SAP have tried to alleviate that now with this new function inside of the system to extend the periods to the due date in the new financial year. But I'll show you what the error message looks like and how it affects end users. So here are the three dates: the posting, the due, and the document date. And I'm just going to change the date in this current period of May so that it restricts itself to the end of May, but the 30th of May rather than the 31st. So that's the 30th of May 21. Just going to update that, clear these screens off, and then to see how this error message occurs, we're just going to go and put a sales invoice on the system. So we just need to go off and choose a customer. And I'm also going to make the screen obviously the right size so we can see all the buttons on here. So we'll choose Earthshaker, and then we're going to use the copy from function and copy from a recent sales order. Just copy all the data through. You'll see that the due date on there is grayed out. The reason for that is because the payment terms in the system at the moment are restricting it. So if I just go to the accounting tab and choose a different payment term that doesn't have a fixed due date in there, so we'll just choose cash, and then I'll put the due date at the end of it to the 31st of May. And we know that goes beyond the end of the current financial period that we're in. So now when we try and add this document, we're going to get that error message. So to fix it, we need to change the current posting period to make sure that that date is acceptable, or any one of those three dates: the posting, the due, and the document. So let's go back to our posting periods. Let's come to the current posting period, which is May. If we pick that up now and change it so that the due date is acceptable to the 31st of May, update that, OK it, OK the posting period screen, and now when we try and add and view it, it should be perfectly acceptable, and it is, and we get this success message at the bottom. So that's it. Just bear in mind that for each of your posting periods, you need to have the right permissible dates within those three categories: posting, due, and document date. I hope this video helps you out with any of these error messages. We have other tips and tricks videos available if you'd like to have a look at them on our website. Thank you very much for watching.